MS Dhoni, the greatest finisher of all time, the man who had captained Indian cricket team for more than 10 years, and the man who is also the reason behind CSK legacy. This man has a net worth of more than 750 crore rupees, and there are so many achievements that are tagged under his name. Here are few of the achievements. First, wicketkeeper to lead India in Test, India's most successful captain in Test cricket, only the second Indian captain to win his first Test at both home and abroad. MS Dhoni is the only Indian keeper to score 4,000 runs and affect 200 dismissals in Test. He is the only Indian captain to win 5 consecutive series. He became the first Indian captain to win in New Zealand after 33 years. Apart from these, he is the greatest collector of bikes like he used to collect the trophies. So, in this video, we will have a look at his bike collection. Please watch the video till the end and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Number 1. Confederate Hellcat X132 Speedster 7. If you haven't heard of this American hot rod motorcycle before, clearly you aren't anywhere near the inner circle of cool. Few of the stars like Brad Pitt, David Beckham, Ryan Reynolds and Tom Cruise all own one. We can see Indian cricket captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni added to that list. The cost of this bike is 60 lakh rupees including import duty of 110%, that is 50,000 US dollars. This bike comes with 2163cc X132 fuel injected V12 engine which produces a power output of 121 horsepower and 140 foot-pounds of torque. Transmission is 5-speed gear and the top speed of this bike is 172.21 km per hour. Number 2. Kawasaki Ninja H2 Sports. The cost of this bike is 35 lakh rupees or 50,000 US dollars. This bike comes with 998cc liquid cooler inline 4-cylinder with supercharged BS4 engine which produces a power output of 231 PS and 141.7 Nm of torque. The transmission is 6-speed and the mileage of this bike is 15 km per liter and it can go from 0 to 100 in 2.5 seconds. Number 3. Harley Davidson Fat Boy. The cost of this bike is 18.2 lakh rupees or 26,000 US dollars. This bike comes with 1745cc Milkwick 8107 electronic sequential port fuel injection 2x2 staggered catalyst in muffler exhaust bike which produces a power output of 144 Nm and the top speed of this bike is 175 km per hour. Number 4. Yamaha YZF 600R. The cost of this bike is 9.3 lakh rupees or 18,300 US dollars. This bike comes with 599cc DOHC liquid cooled 16 valve inline 4 engine which produces a power output of 88 bhp and 60.3 Nm of torque. Transmission is 6-speed sequential and this bike has a top speed of 246.8 km per hour and it can go from 0 to 100 in 3.8 seconds. Kawasaki Ninja ZX14. The cost of this bike is 19.7 lakh rupees or 28,000 US dollars. This bike comes with 1441cc liquid cooled 4 valve per cylinder BS4 engine which produces a power output of 197.2 bhp and 158.2 Nm of torque. This bike has 6 gears and the top speed of this bike is 335 km per hour and it can go from 0 to 100 in 2.8 seconds. Number 6. Yamaha Rajdoot 350. The cost of this bike is 30,000 rupees or 429 US dollars. This bike comes with 347cc, 2-stroke air-cooled parallel twin carburetor 6-speed manual engine, front telescopic and rear swing arm suspension which can go to top speed of 169 km per hour. Number 7, 1965 BSA Goldstar. The cost of this bike is 13.9 lakh rupees or 20,000 US dollars. This bike comes with 499cc alloy air-cooled single-cylinder Clubman's Racer class bike which can go to the top speed of 180 km per hour. Number 8, 1965 Norton Jubilee. The cost of this bike is 2.69 lakh rupees or 3,800 US dollars. This bike comes with 249cc air-cooled engine which produces a power output of 16 bhp. Transmission is 4-speed gear and it can go to a top speed of 150 km per hour. Number 9, Yamaha RX 100. The cost of this bike is 16,000 rupees or 229 US dollars. This bike comes with 98cc 2-stroke reed valve air-cooled single cylinder which produces a power output of 11 HP and 10.39 mm of torque. Transmission is 4-speed gear and it has a top speed of 110 km per hour. That's all about the bike collection of MS Dhoni. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.